I'm Lisa Kern. I'm Global Educator with OPI. This is our OPI Pro Spa Intense Callus Smoothing Balm. This actually provides immediate relief to cracked skin. So I do use this for my Premier pedicure services for that client that just needs that extra TLC on those heels or maybe at the balls of the feet. This outperforms C&D Callus Heel Balm. It is seen results are faster, they last longer. This is definitely for an upgrade service for my Premier pedicures. When I finish my pedicures, I have done their moisturizing. I also have polished their toes. I put a little bit of this wherever it needs that extra TLC. There's no need to rinse or to wipe this off. You can actually retail this as well to send home with the client. I recommend that for maximum use for this, that they want to put it on the areas they needed, whether it be the heel, the ball of the feet, wherever they have that calloused area they need to work on. Apply a sock and let them sleep in it overnight, and they'll get those maximum results for this. So this is definitely something that is a go-to for a person that needs that extra TLC.